Good morning, Kasturians, and welcome to video 2 of chapter 1 of history, bricks, beads and bones. So today we will see the agricultural technology of the Harappans. Let's start. The Harappans, they were practicing agriculture, but whether they were using broadcasting, that is scattering the seeds by hand in the plowed lands, or some other method was used, it is still not known. The seals and other findings and the terracotta sculptures, they indicate that the bull was known to the Harappans, that is they were using bull or oxen for plowing the fields. And how we can say that they were using plow? Because the models of plow made of terracotta have been found in Haryana, that is Banavali, and in Cholistan. The evidences of a plowed field, an entire field which was plowed, it has been found at Kalibangan, which is in Rajasthan, and it is dating back to the early Harappan civilization. Also, the fields, as I told you, they were plowed by oxen, and the terracotta findings of oxen, they have been there. This is the evidence that the people, the Harappans, they were using ox for plowing the field. The field, it was drawn in a manner that two sets of furrows like this, one at right angles to each other. The two sets of furrows, they were found cutting or intersecting each other at right angles, and this shows, or this creates an evidence that two different crops were grown by the Harappans at the same time, that is they were using multiple cropping. The tools which have been found, they were identified as harvesting tools. So the tools, they indicate the stone blades which were having wooden handles, and at some places metal tools with wooden handles were found. Also, most of these Harappan sites indicated above, that is you can see Haryana, Banavali in Haryana, Kalibangan in Rajasthan, and Cholistan. All these sites are located in semi-arid areas, that is where less availability of water is there. They are dry areas, so the fields, they need to be irrigated with water for a good harvest. That's why irrigation was required, and traces of canals have been found at some of the Harappan sites. Apart from the above mentioned sites, that is Kalibangan, Banavali, Cholistan, in Shortughai, that is in Afghanistan, the traces of canals have been found, but not in Sindh or Punjab, as they are in Pakistan. As we know, Sindh and Pakistan, they are well water fed areas, having water from receiving water from 5 rivers. Still the traces of canals have not been found. Why? Because might be the possibility is there that the canals, they have eloped due to silting, and that's why the water was drawn from wells and it was used for irrigation. This is furthermore evident from the water reservoirs which are found in Gujarat, that is the site's name is Dholavira, which is in Gujarat, and these water reservoirs, they are much more used for storing water for irrigation purposes or for agriculture. This is the water reservoir which is found at Dholavira, and in this water reservoir you can see steps are there, steps are shown. Stepwise these water reservoirs were created, and the stairs are given also for leaving it and for drying it up. The holes were provided at the ends so that the excess of water can be drained out, and at times when it is required they can be put to use again by servicing them and to avoid their silting. That's all we have in this video. Thank you and have a nice day.